Here's a look at our year-long process in renovating our storefront. And we bought this building, and it was built back in the early 1900s. The first thing we wanted to do was to get rid of that dropped ceiling and pull up the flooring. So we thought we were just getting into cosmetic stuff. We pulled up literally like 3 layers of flooring. As we started getting into this renovation process, we were peeling it back slowly like an onion, and we had to get a new air conditioner, a new roof. We took down all the inner walls, and we exposed some rotten wood in the back of the store, which unfortunately caused us to have to replace all the floor joists, and it took a lot longer than we anticipated. But anyway, overall, the process has been interesting, a learning experience, and a lot of fun, although a lot of work and a lot of back pain. I'll post some pictures soon of our finished product because it doesn't even look recognizable. I'm so excited.